Puffy go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go! She can text to law enforcement that she was okay. Stop!
Sean Diddy Combs will remain in jail pending sentencing after his conviction on 2 lesser charges and his sex trafficking trial in New York City. Now, Combs was acquitted of racketeering and sex trafficking, the 2 big charges, but he was convicted of transporting people across state lines for purposes of prostitution, also known as the Federal Mann Act.
Janice!
What's up, man? Have you ever been so in love? Because I have, man.
Me too.
Hold on. Have you ever been so in love that you would do things that you have never done? Hold on. Don't talk to me. She can text to law enforcement that she was okay. Stop!
Let me go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go!
Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go! Let Puffy go!
Let Puffy go!
I'm actually kind of upset about the outcome because I thought, my honest opinion was he'd be found guilty of everything except for the number 1, which was, I believe, was a racketeering charge. After following this for eight weeks, after following this case for 8 weeks, I really felt that he was going to be found guilty in everything except for the number 1, because that was the one that seemed like the jury's having the most problems with. When the actual verdict came out, I was the one that read it because I was on. There's a gentleman that sits inside the courtroom. His name is Inner City Press, and right after I read him, his tweet crashed. So at least I got most of it out. And when I started reading "not guilty, not guilty, not guilty," I'm like, it blew my mind. I'm like, how can this?
Okay, so when I was in the courtroom, I listened to. I had the opportunity to listen to the closing arguments of the defense. I had the opportunity to listen to the rebuttal. I had the opportunity to listen to the judge's instructions to the jurors. I heard the objections. So again, this is nothing that I'm unfamiliar with, but to see the reactions on the people's faces, to watch Diddy's defense team, to watch the confusion, and seems like sometimes the defense seemed defeated, Diddy seemed defeated. They looked on the ground. So when I was there, I was thinking that the prosecution was winning this case.
Testimonies of the victims and everything else that's been going on, you get triggered by it. And a lot of my followers as well have been triggered. I have a lot of followers that are wonderful, that have started following me on TikTok, and they've opened up to me and talked about things that happened to them, and how this case resonates with them as well, how it affects them, how it makes them exhausted, how it makes them sad. And it's it's not just what's going on in court. It's everybody that's following it. If you're involved in it, if you even hear a little bit about it, if you have any past history of any of this type of stuff, it's going to make these feelings come out. It's difficult. It's very difficult to deal with it. Do I feel that justice was served? No, not at all.
I said this: justice is justice. Whether a person is found innocent or if they're found guilty, justice is justice. I believe justice prevailed here today. I think that what he got, what he was found guilty is I think it's fair. I think that he doesn't just walk away scot-free, and I think a lot of people wanted him to walk away scot-free because of his celebrity. But again, this is a celebrity versus morality, and I think the fair balance showed itself in the verdict today.
Sean Diddy Combs will remain in jail pending sentencing after his conviction on 2 lesser charges and his sex trafficking trial in New York City. Now, Combs was acquitted of racketeering and sex trafficking, the 2 big charges, but he was convicted of transporting people across state lines for purposes of prostitution, also known as the Federal Mann Act. Combs' lawyers asked for him to be released on bail pending sentencing. He's been in jail since his arrest last September. They argued that the circumstances have changed because of his acquittals on those big charges. and they proposed that he be allowed to spend time at his mansion near Miami and travel to California and New York, but adhere to all other conditions set by the court, that he would surrender his passport and comply with all other regulations. Mark Agnifilo, the lawyer for Sean Combs, said that Combs has been a model prisoner and that he has complied with every regulation, been respectful to the court. The government lawyers, the prosecutors, they said that nevertheless Combs has shown a propensity for violence, and that even after he knew he was under investigation, he committed one of the violent acts that was central to the testimony in this trial. Sean Combs headed back to a jail in Brooklyn where he has been housed since his arrest last September. He will remain there until his sentencing unless the judge grants another opportunity for the defense lawyers to ask for bail. But the situation as it stands, Sean Combs acquitted on the major counts in his sex trafficking trial, but convicted on lesser ones, and because of that, he will remain jailed pending sentencing.